Welcome to Green Matters News. In this week's episode, we find out how New York finally banned foam takeout containers, Serbia's plan to save more animals, how a Scottish woman is using pets to clean up the planet, and why California wants to make digital receipts mandatory, plus our green tip of the week. Let's get to it. First up, former Mayor Michael Bloomberg first suggested a ban on polystyrene foam for New York City in 2013. And after a legal battle, the ban is finally in effect. While restaurants are encouraged to stop using them immediately, establishments who distribute the single-use foam will face up to a $1,000 fine per offense starting this summer. It is officially illegal to run a fur farm in Serbia, and the new law is expected to save 12,000 chinchillas every year. The decision is part of the 2009 Animal Welfare Act, which gave a 10-year transition period to end the farms. Animals activists in Serbia are excited about the ban and are hopeful that this will start a trend in the region. When Marion Montgomery's dog started picking up trash on their walks, she was left with the choice of littering it again or disposing of it responsibly. You can imagine what choice she made. It inspired her to start the Paws on Plastic campaign, which encourages pet owners in her Scottish community to pick up at least 2 pieces of litter while out with their pets. Already, 1,000 people have gotten involved, and the movement is constantly growing. A bill proposed in the California Assembly would make them the first state to require digital receipts. Not only would it produce less waste, thermal paper cannot be recycled or composted, but it could also protect the health of consumers and workers. Receipts have been known to contain harmful chemicals known to be linked to health problems. And for our green tip of the week, there's a lot you can do with the peels on the citruses you eat. Before you go to put your grapefruit or orange rind in the compost pile, consider making a DIY body scrub. Peels make for excellent exfoliant qualities because of their natural coarseness. Ground your surplus peels using a blender or food processor and create your own homemade body scrub using sugar and coconut oil. For more information on the stories in this episode, click the links in the description below or visit us at www.greenmatters.com. And if you like the show, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Green Matters News with your friends, and follow us on Instagram at Green Matters. Keep up the green work, everyone. See you next week.